everyone, so let's get started with the video. Okay, so starting you just have to tie your hairs in a pony. Make sure that your pony is high. Somewhere around here. Okay, so now as you can see our pony is done. Now you just have to divide your hair into two parts. Comb them, divide it again into two parts like this, twist them, and now wrap them around each other. Now repeat the same this side also. What you have to do is pull out your hair like this and then wrap it around. Now as you can see our bun is done. Now just you have to pull your hair from the front side to give it a more messy look, and then just move your fingers like this. And now you just have to take out some hair. And then just now you're done with your messy bun. So yeah, that's all for today, and if this video was helpful for you, so please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, comment down any suggestions. Bye, I will see you in the next one. I haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please do subscribe and hit that bell. Just have to part your hair